Guy, today's video will be very awesome. In this video you will see remote controller and you see water pressure kit. This video most interesting things these bike light which give stunning look to your bike. You can buy all these gadgets from Amazon at affordable prices. Friends, if you are watching the video without subscribe the channel, now subscribe the channel. Guys, you are watching Gadget World. Imagine the gaming controller you have, a controller that fits your PC and smartphone. You connect with any of your devices. You can do gaming with it. It comes with its Bluetooth adapter. It can connect both way wireless and wired connections. Both options will be there in this. You will have total freedom. The controller will be quite comfortable. Mechanical buttons and soft rubber grip with powerful rechargeable battery. It has 10 hours of uninterrupted play time. There are also cool features like vibration so you get easy win in the game. In this you will get the gaming controller as well, its adapt phone holder, USB cable and user manual. If you get all these things then you want to improve your gaming experience. It easily used in phone, laptop or PC, this multi-platform controller is just perfect for you guys. Guys, let's move to a smartwatch with multiple advanced features. One touch to connect, voice calling, voice assistant, dial pad, recent call, contact, call rejection. It has list menu, tile menu, arch bridge menu. It also gives the features which every watch have time/date, automatic daylight saving time, stopwatch, timer, alarm. It also maintain your health by using wrist-based heart rate, daily resting heart rate, level measurement, blood pressure, breathing training, and insights, calorie burn tracking. It also gives smart notifications, compass, weather sync, controls smartphone music and camera, find my phone and watch, do not disturb modes, sedentary alert, drink water reminder, calculator, password, app download and much more. If you need a drone that is beginner friendly, and it has 8K 3D video capture, you can buy this drone for outdoor use. Friends, although this is ideal for beginners, if you are new to drones then don't worry about this brush. It comes with a motor and its flight time is 10 to 20 minutes, a little less, but it can charging also. It becomes remote quite quickly. You get distance about 150 meters. And in the package you will get its camera, batteries, remote controller, USB cable. All this you will get separately. This drone will remain under control. You can control it from your phone. Its size is also best for photography. It will remain compact. Its body is made of combination of metals and plastics. Guys, now you watch amazing multifunctional water gun sprayer. A variety of rotary adjustment nozzles, atomization and water column status can be switched at any time. You not only can be used with a fixed pot body, but also with other bottles, and can also be used directly with an external water pipe. This spray head has a maximum lift of 3 m and can be sprayed with an external 3 m water pipe. The nozzle can be used with various types of nozzles, such as short nozzle, extended nozzle, universal rod, etc. It equipped with a high-density filter, which can filter large particles, and the thicker pipe can also provide sufficient flow of water for the sprinkler. So these ones of bullet indicators come in their place. You can install indicators in well way. Its name is also bullet and it looks like this too. Looks like a bullet, meaning the shape of the bullet is exactly the same. Looks like this, and especially these are a formal type. Looks very good as indicator. The light is compatible with a wide range of motorcycles. So don't worry about adjustment. You can buy bullet signals online. This lightweight bullet signals is designed to enhance your bike's visibility and style. The LED bulbs provide a bright, clear signal, ensuring that other road users can easily see your intentions. The black/chrome finish adds a touch of beauty to your motorcycle, making it stand out on the road. You can buy bullet signals online. This lightweight bullet signals is designed to enhance your bike's visibility and style. The LED bulbs provide a bright, clear signal, ensuring that other road users can easily see your intentions. The black/chrome finish adds a touch of beauty to your motorcycle, making it stand out on the road. Friends, now you watch this mini gadget which is so mini in size but can do big things. Multi-tool for daily use. If you look at it, It is not just a tool, this is your everyday carry in adventures, friends. It will be a versatile gadget. Innovative design allows you to perform all types of tasks. You will be able to tackle it easily, and brother, it is the most fun. You use this tool as a bottle opener. It can also use to tight screws and also use a scale to draw a straight line. You can also as box opener and pull up the stapler pins which you attach in wrong place. You can take this tool with you anywhere where you want on different tours. It is also act as a keychain which attach with your bags easily. Friends, you can buy this amazing multifunctional tool from Amazon. If you want to give such a stylish look to your car, so these high quality LED light strips, you can definitely try this budget friendly. It is also completely waterproof, dust proof and anti-exposure. That is, no matter what the weather is, summer, winter and rain, it glow up in any situation. Apart from this, these LED strip lights 71 inches long and flexible. It is also very easy to install them. You will install them yourself and no need to go to anywhere. These come with moisture-proof coating and already with glue in for installation. It comes with a light strip attached, just paste it directly on the hood. You can use it on SUV, van, Jeep, any car. Guys, this is lights will glow car from the bottom. The LED under car glow system is equipped with sound sensors that LED lights with music beat. The LED music light strip follows the beat and adjusts flashing to fit the strength of the sound. The kit designed to be simple, which provides elegance inside the car when driving at night or enjoying music. It can be bent, fold, wound and fixed in place easily, perfect for underwheel arches, around the front grille, under footwells, in the trunk, along the dash, anywhere you want adjusted. The LED under car glow produces multicolors which are blue, green, purple, red, white and more 15 colors flashing modes. These lights give dashing look to your car in a perfect ride on road. You can buy this glow kit from Amazon. You see car lights a lot, but now move to bikes lover. These lights are used in the wheel of different bikes. It has waterproof design and anti-corrosion. It not damage while using during washing, soaking in water, rain, mud and sand. Oil pollution will not affect. These lights does not damage the original vehicle structure, does not affect the performance of the vehicle, and is better integrated with the wheel hub, simple and beautiful, without any mechanical friction, and no abnormal noise. Its installation process is very easy, it making your nighttime driving safer and more eye-catching. When you brake, motorcycle lights underglow kit will light up in a bright color, and automatically return to the previous mode when you release the brake. Now guys, it's your turn. If you still not like the video, like it. Support the channel and press the bell, you will get notification of new video. Let's meet in another video with new gadgets. Take care of yourself and enjoy the life. Bye.